Yeah. Now we will discuss the question paper pattern for you for paper 7. That is tax laws and practice. So direct tax is for 60 marks, whereas indirect tax is for 40 marks. In indirect tax, you have GST and customs. Customs is exclusively covered for CS executive. Okay. Yes. So coming to income tax, which is for 60 marks, which is part 1, there will be 5 questions of 15 marks each in the question paper. But you need to answer 4 questions. That means one question would be a choice. One question would be a choice in the sense, sir, can I take any question? No. How is it also? I will tell you. How the choice is given also, I will tell you. So I repeat, guys, totally 5 questions would be there for 15 marks. You need to answer any 4. That means one question would be a choice for you. Yes, sir. And every question will have a sub questions. It's not like so 15 sorry, 15 marks, one question means one question if I don't know, last 15 marks, no. Each question will have some questions. For example, as the first question will have A, B, C for 5 marks. For 5 marks each. It need not be always 5 marks. It can be like 10 marks, 5 marks, or 3 into 5. That is 3 marks, 5 questions, like that. Yeah, yes, I will also show you one question paper, so you will have an idea. Yes. So this is about direct tax. Coming to indirect tax, which includes both GST and customs for 40 marks. So it is a part of same paper, guys, but 2 components. Yeah. So there will be 3 questions of 20 marks each, totally coming to 60 marks. But one question would be a choice. You need to answer only 2 questions. So here also 20 marks, one question means if I don't know, complete thing is gone. No, there will be sub questions. There will be a sub questions. For example, 5 marks, 4 questions like that. Yeah. Yes. So every question will have a sub questions. So this is how the pattern of question paper for you guys. Now coming to one question paper. I have taken June 2025 question paper just to explain you the pattern so that you will have an idea before we start the syllabus. Okay, time allowed and all is 3 hours. Maximum marks is 100 marks. Sir, I knew everything, sir, including choice I have attended, sir. You are God. Huh? God. So, but don't attend choice. Whatever is there excluding choice, try to attend it as possible. Clear? Yes. Will they give more than 100? Definitely not. So, I don't think you will have so much time also to attend, including choice, but still I am telling you, whatever you are attending, attend to the best. And when you are attending, right, try to take the first question as your best answer. Sir, should I take first question only first? No. You can answer in any order. In any order you can answer, but make sure that whichever answer you are writing first, that should be your best answer. And try to answer all the sub questions together. For example, you have taken first question, it has 3 sub questions. Try to answer it in the order. And start all the fresh questions in the fresh page. Okay, don't adjust there only. You would have already paid exam fees. Okay, will they refund you back? Telling, oh, you have not used so many sheets, please take a no refund and all will be given. That doesn't mean that, sir, I will leave full empty pages, sir, and I will go and write at the end. No, that will irritate the evaluator. Don't irritate the evaluator, guys, because your career will be at the stake. Okay, your result will be at stake. Don't take that chance. Oh. Now, you will try to put your first answer as the best answer. First 1 or 2 answers should be your best answer, including all sub questions. Yeah, why I will tell you. See, the evaluator will not know who you are, whose son or daughter you are, how rich you are, or how knowledgeable you are. The only way he can judge you is through your answers. And assume first answer itself you have written some full stories. He would have already judged you as an average person or below average person. Okay, assume for first 15 marks question, he gave 8 marks. Normally the trend will be like, human tendency is like that. Na? They will not go beyond 8 marks for the upcoming questions. Correct? I'm just giving an example. I'm not telling everywhere, so is it like that? See, that is how the human mindset is. Clear? After reading your first answer, I will decide how well you are prepared. No? Clear? So, even while I am evaluating your next question, I already have set a mindset about you. With the same notion, I will continue evaluation. Clear? So, the first opinion, we try to give the positive as best as possible. Clear? I'm repeating again, guys. There is no mandate that you have to start with first question only first. Nothing like that. Sir, can I start with third question, fourth question? Yes. However, You guys, once you read the question paper, you will have an idea. Sir, for which question do I know the answer best? Start with that. Start with that. Yes, sir. So let us begin, guys. So part one is the direct tax or income tax. You can see the first question. They are given some details. Under that, there are various requirements A, B, C, D, E. Each one of them is for 3 marks each. Yeah, and while answering, please don't mix up also. Please write separately. A separately, B separately, C separately, D separately, and E separately. Sir, can I interchange this order? I don't suggest. I don't suggest. Don't interchange. Sir, A I will write first, then E, then C. I don't suggest to do like that. If at all, for example, sir, I answered A and B. I don't know C. Can I go to D? Yes, leave some necessary space and go to D. And necessary space means sir, pages together. Huh? No. You know for 3 marks question how much space is required. Maybe sometimes you will feel like later I might remember, I may come back and write and all. Leave necessary space and go forward. Got it? Yes. Sure. So this was like first question. Okay, this question is completely for 15 marks, but it has sub questions. Yes. So it is like 5 questions of 3 marks each. So answer also is there. Answer and all we will not discuss now. We will also take up at the end. We will take up some question papers and I will discuss. Okay. Yeah. Question number 2, you can see the data is given. First question is for 5 marks. B is also for 5 marks. C is also for 5 marks. That means they have asked 3 questions for 5 marks in second question. Oh. Then coming to third one. Yeah, third question. Again, 5 marks, 5 marks, 5 marks. That is 3 questions of 5 marks each. Yes, sir. Now, till now, sir, first, second, and third question. Can I take a choice in that? No. So, first 3 questions is like mandatory questions for you. First 3 questions are like mandatory questions for you. Then you told that there will be one choice, no, sir, that is in the fourth question. Let us see. Let us see that. So, choice is in the fourth question. So, fourth question means what, sir? You have to answer all the sub questions of 4 or 4A. That means choice is only here. That means first 3 questions are mandatory for you. Compulsory questions. You have to attend it. Sir, don't know. Then only. For God only. That many marks for God only. Yeah, Tirupati only. Sure. Sir, I don't go to Tirupati. Wherever you go, you think that you are putting it further. Yes. Sure. So here also there are 3 questions of 5 marks each. 3 questions of 5 marks each. So you have to answer A, B, C of 4 or the choices. 4A. 4A. Got it? So A, B, C of 4 or coming to 4A. Here also you have 3 questions. 5 marks. Sorry, not 3. 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay. Internal choice. Internal questions are there. Observe. First question is for 5 marks. Second question is for 5 marks. But there are 2 sub questions there also. 3, 2. 3 plus 2. Then third question also is for 5 marks. But under that there are 2 sub questions. 3 plus 3. Hope you guys got it. And you have to take choice between 4 and 4A only. I am telling you. Sir, I know 4 and 4A both. I will write both. Along with that, I will write 1 and 2, not 3. 15 marks done. Understanding. So please be careful because before going to the examination, all you should know how exactly you are supposed to answer. I hope you understood. So there is no choice for the first 3 questions. Choice is only for the fourth question. Only for the fourth question. Between 4 and 4A. And that also I will clarify. Sir, here, in fourth question, I know A and B. And from 4A, I will take C. Is it okay? No, that is also not allowed. Clear? You choose either 4 or 4A and answer all the sub questions under that. So 1 from here, 2 from others, or 2 from here, 1 from other. No, that not was. Hope you watched that. Clear? So I have discussed for direct tax what is the plan. For indirect tax, I will discuss later.